Hello friends, the topic for today is goal-based agents in AI. Goal-based agents further expand on the capabilities of the model-based agents by using goal information. Goal information describes situations that are desirable. This allows the agent a way to choose among multiple possibilities, selecting the one which reaches a goal state. Agenda for today's video: introduction, structure of goal-based agent, discussions, and summary. Let us start with the introduction. In model-based reflex agent with internal state, the current percept is combined with the old internal state to generate the updated description of the current state based on the agent's model of how the world works. Knowing something about current state of the environment is not always enough to decide what to do. The agent needs some sort of goal information that describes situations that are desirable. The agent program can combine this with the model to choose actions that achieve the goal. Then let us go to the structure of goal-based agent. Figure 1 shows the goal-based agent structure. Here we use the rectangles to denote the current internal state of the agent's decision process and ovals to represent the background information used in the process and goals. Here the sensors are used to obtain the current percepts from the environments. Then the current percept is combined with the old internal state to generate the updated description of the current state based on the agent's model of how the world works. Notice that decision making of this kind is fundamentally different from the condition action rules described earlier, in that it involves consideration of the future, both what it will be like if I do action A and will that make me happy, that is whether the goal is achieved. You can observe that what action I should do now, this state gets inputs from goals and what will be like if I do action A, this state. It keeps track of the world state as well as a set of goals it is trying to achieve and chooses an action that will eventually lead to achievement of its goals. Then let us go to the discussions. In the reflex agent design, this information is not explicitly represented because the built-in rules map directly from the percepts to actions. Sometimes goal-based action selection is straightforward. For example, when goal satisfaction results immediately from a single action. Sometimes it will be more difficult as agent has to consider many actions to achieve the goal. Search and planning are subfields of AI devoted to finding action sequence that achieves the agent's goal. Then let us go to the summary. First point, the goal-based agent has some goal which forms the basis of its action. Then second point, such agents work as follows. Informations come from sensors, percepts, changes the agent current state of the world. Based on the state of the world and knowledge, that is memory, and goals or intentions, it chooses actions and does them through the effectors or actuators. Then third point, although the goal-based agent appears less efficient, it is more flexible because the knowledge that supports its decision is represented explicitly and can be modified. So with this, we come to the end of this video. If you like the video, press the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel Engineering and Technology for You. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notifications for our future videos on this topic. Then thanks for watching. Have a nice day.